Snapchat partner connections. So here in Snapchat settings, you can see the button here, partner connections. So these are apps which are have access to Snapchat when you're using SnapKit. When you connect an app, you can customize what information is shared, and you can remove access from the screen at any time. It will automatically remove access if you don't use the partner experience for 90 days, but you should contact the developer about any data you already shared. So, there are a lot of like third-party apps with the SnapKit, like developers building additional apps in here, and they just you can just see them in here. So for example, I don't use any, but a lot of like heavy users of Snap, they just have a lot of apps. So here you can just remove them, and it's better to remove because this is like the security of your data. So that's just what's happening. Like if you install some third party app, you need to be really sure that they don't steal your data, they're quite secure app and so on, because basically you're given access to all your Snapchat data via these third party apps. Maybe your Snapchat account can be compromised, so there are a lot of risks. But yeah, here how you can manage.